leave that there. Ooh, was that a noise from that? Was that a noise from that box?
Beauty. Is it new gel?
What is it? What is it?
It's a flip phone.
Yes.
Flip phone.
Okay, so Ty, in order for that to work, because these are so old, okay? Ty, in order for these to work, since they're so old, you actually have to call it first. So you actually have a phone number, okay? So Mommy programmed the phone number in your phone, and as soon as it rings, you get to pick it up, and it'll work.
Daddy, I thought that was his flip phone.
Does that ring? Pick it up. What is that?
His phone.
What is that?
What's that?
What? Wait, what's that box? Where did that box come from? What is that? What? Are you kidding me? What is that?
iPhone.
What?
What was the other one?
How did you get that?
That scared me.
What was that one? What's that?
Extra. Thank you. You're welcome.
What is that though?
What is that? An iPhone 5? What is it?
No.
Which one is it?
What is this?
7. Is it?
Yes. You happy?
Wait.
Yeah.
What is
Happiest
this?
boy in the world right now?
Yeah.